Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tutorial River, and in this video we will learn how to disable Roblox UI navigation. So in order to disable UI navigation, firstly get into any game in Roblox and click on the play button. After getting into the game, you have to check what hotkey is your UI navigation on. To do that, press escape and go to help. Then in mix section you will find UI selection toggle. Normally it's on the slash button, so by pressing slash you can enable UI navigation and use your WASD keys to move around the UI. And if you play slash again, it will close and disable the UI navigation. So by clicking slash you can disable your UI navigation. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.